Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make Amla rice. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Heat 3 tablespoons of sesame oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame and add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it splutters, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 2 teaspoons of gram dal and 15 cashew nuts. When the dal turns light brown, add 1 red chilli, 1 sprig of curry leaves and 2 finely chopped green chillies. Saute this for some time and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 pinch of Asafoetida powder. Mix well and add half a cup of grated gooseberries and a little salt. Saute this for 3 to 4 minutes and add 3 cups of cooked rice. Mix well and turn off the flame. Now it's ready to serve. Please try it out and post your feedback.